Hello folks, how are you? This is representing a new software for Skype that's called WebSky. So sending messages on Skype, it's a great hassle. Whenever you want to send any campaign to all the contacts which are there in Skype, it's practically impossible. You can't do that. What you have to do is you have to choose the contacts one by one by clicking individually on them and then sending them the message to Control C, Control V option, right? So now what I have to say is, what I have to show you is a new application which is very efficient for sending Skype messages. It can import new contacts, it can add new contacts, plus it can send the messages to the existing contacts. So I can show you how it works. First of all, I'll just click on import. Here I have a file which is Jamo Skype. So it's just a file which has a few Skype names and their Skype addresses. So I'll just click on, first of all, what we need to do is this is a window which is open when we click on when we open the software. So we have to sign in with our username and password here. So I'm just going to use my own username and password for signing in. So once it's signed in, you can directly sync your contact list and you can put that into the software, and then you can eventually send them a message. And the message can be a text, it can be a media, it can be anything. So it's a very efficient software in sense of sending campaigns, in sense of sending daily notifications, alerts to your contacts over Skype. So we'll just click on block. Got it. Okay. So what I'll do is, I'll just, again, this is the software window, I'll click on add start. Now this is a send request. It is asking me that what to do, does it want to send a plain request, or the request has to be with a text, or with a request with a media, or whatever you want, right? So now I'm gonna choose then send request with text. So I'll just write hello, this is from bolt7.com. I'll just click on send. So I'll just minimize the window so that you can see. Now what it is doing is, it is just sending the request to the people. It is just searching them automatically on the search bar. It is going to their profile, it is typing the message, it is sending them the request. So this is the way it just adds random people to your Skype ID, and it's pretty fast. You can see the speed it's very good, right? So it's gonna be you can add around 100 people in about 100 seconds. So that's the speed. So this is the way through which you can use Skype as a platform for marketing, Skype as a platform for sending your own updates, your alerts, your new launches and everything. And every official corporate has a lot of contacts over Skype, right? So this is a way through which these contacts can be put into use. So I'll show you the software. This is, I'll just click on, it has reached around a large number of files. So I'll just click on stop. Now I'll show you the sending part, how the message is sent. So once I click on stop, I can show you, this was the contact, this was the last contact, Rahul, and they have received a message, and one of the person, he has already replied also. So you can just take the time. So this is the way you can interact into live conversations. Now I'll show you the sending option. Now I'll just click on send message. I'll click on refresh. Again, one more person replied. Now this is the list. This is the whole list, which is you can say this is my contact list. When you click on this refresh button, it is gonna come into action. Now when you click on start, you can just add a text here. So this is the message which I have typed. I'll just click on send now. And you can see how one by one this software is sending the messages. The speed, it's very fast, it's very fast. You can send a number of messages in very less time. So likewise it's gonna send the message to all these like 52 contacts, 54 contacts which are there in my list. So right now I can just click on stop. Now the software, it has stopped. Now what I'm gonna do is, for example, if you want to save the report, so you can just save it in is completed, and this save option, it can be used to save that file. So this was all about this software. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this software would be useful for you. For the download link and everything and other details, please refer the details below.